Vanakkam, welcome to Prakriti Living. Today let's make a delicious chicken biryani. It is really quick and simple. I think it's an all-time favorite among most of us. And about the ingredients, as we go along with our cooking, I'll tell about each one of them. So let's get started. In a pan, I am taking about 2 to 3 tablespoons of gingerly oil or nallanai, and you can use any oil of your choice also, maybe it is refined oil or whatever. And to this I am adding 2 tablespoons of ghee, desi ghee prepared at home. Now I am adding the whole spices like 2 to 3 cinnamon pieces and 5 to 6 cloves. And as they splutter, I'm going to now add the onions. I have cut about one large onion, or if they are medium sized, you could take about 2 of them. And to this I have added 2 green chilies split in half. Now let's wait for our onions to brown a little bit. So now they have browned a little bit. I am adding 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, also prepared at home. And as we saute this, let it get a little brown. To this now I am adding pudina and coriander leaves, about a handful together. And now let us saute this also. Now we are going to add about 2 tomatoes chopped finely. Smash it a little bit with your hands and fry them well so that the juice of the tomatoes get well incorporated with the other ingredients. Now I am adding about 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. You can adjust according to your taste. And now I am going to add a half teaspoon of coriander powder. This helps the ingredients to bind well. And now I am adding 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, all prepared at home, and now salt according to our taste. To this I am going to add half kg of chicken pieces. Mix all the ingredients well. Let all the spices blend well with the chicken. Now we have to give it some cooking time because rice cooks fast. So I am giving about 5 minutes time. Keep it in a minimum flame for about 5 minutes and close the lid. We are not going to pressure cook it. This is just being closed. After 5 minutes, I am going to add in the rice. I have taken 1 cup of rice. This is the short grained rice, also called as Siraga Samba. Now to this rice I am adding 1.5 tumblers of water. The ratio is rice. If you are taking 1 tumbler of rice, we are going to add 1.5 tumblers of water. This should be sufficient for most of the varieties of rice. But if you feel that it is a bit too grainy, then you can add a little more of water, but adjust it according to the kind of rice that you are going to use. Now I have kept it in sim for about 10 minutes and a delicious biryani is almost ready. And when I open it, I am adding half a lemon. I am squeezing it over it and our delicious biryani is ready. Now let's serve it on a plate. I have taken a plate with some raita and cucumber pieces. And our biryani is being served. Now I am going to place an boiled egg on it, which is a usual combination for biryani. What do you think about this biryani? Hope you really enjoy it. It has a very awesome taste. Or I make it frequently at home. Hope you enjoy it too.